Hi, welcome to Master Handwriting. In this video, we are going to see the kids worksheet. Firstly, we are going to see the sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are common words that school kids expect to recognize instantly. Words like the, it, and appear so often that beginning readers reach the point where they no longer need to try to sound out these words. We are going to see how these sight words work. So these are the sentences where we are going to fit these sight words. The first sentence is I was dash when he left. The answer is I was sad. S-E-D, sad, when he left. The second sentence is can you dash some water? The answer is get, G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. The third sentence is we can dash to the park. The answer is go. G-O, go. The fourth sentence is I will call dash tomorrow. The answer is I will call you. Y-O-U. I will call you tomorrow. The fifth sentence is put dash in the box. The answer is it. Put it in the box. The sixth sentence is dash cake is yummy. The answer is T. T-H-E. The cake is yummy. The next sentence is I want dash mommy. The answer is my. M-Y. I want my mommy. Eighth sentence is he likes dash fly. He likes to fly. T-O-2. These are the sight word simple sentences where kids can practice these sight words. The next worksheet is fill in the vowels. The vowel words are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. Now, by seeing the picture, we are going to fill in the vowel letters. The first picture is T-L-P-S. By seeing the picture, we can identify that it is tulips. T-U-L-I-P-S. Tulips. The next picture is L-D-Y-B-G. By seeing the picture, we can identify that it is a ladybug. L-A-D-Y-B-U-G. A and U are vowel letters. The next picture is B-T-T-R-F-L-Y. By seeing the picture, we can identify that it is a butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. U and E are vowel letters. The next picture is dash P-P-L dash. By seeing the picture, we know that it is an apple. So A P-P-L-E, apple. A and E are vowel letters. The next picture is dash C dash CR dash AM. So by seeing the picture, we can identify that it is an ice cream. I C E C R E A M. I E E A are all are vowel letters. Next one, F L dash W dash R. By seeing the picture, we can identify that it is a flower. F L O W E R, flower. O and E are vowel letters. The next picture is R dash dash N B dash W. By seeing the picture, we can identify that it is a rainbow. R A I N B O W, rainbow. A I O are vowel letters. Next picture is R dash N dash G. R, by seeing the picture, we can identify that it is a ring. R I N G. I is a vowel letter. I hope this video is useful for you.